everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I'll be setting up the monthly overview page in my Ink Bucket planner for the month of March. So let's get started. For this video, I want to use some stickers, and I have these really pretty planner Kate stickers in like the raining weather theme. So this is one of my favorite weathers. It's actually the most favorite weather of mine, and I thought the colors go well with the color that's already here. And yeah, it's my birthday month as well, so it'll be nice to just mark it. I wanted to use this for my birthday, I just didn't know where, and I felt this is the best spot to do that. So let's get started. First, with intentions and agendas. I might switch up a few things. I mean, not the sections, but the way these headers are set. I don't know if I want to use these washi tapes or not. So let's do one thing. Let's come back to this later. First, we can fill out all the other things that I'm sure of the sections. So the first thing is to do, and the very first thing that I need to do is, let me just fix this a bit. So the very first thing that I need to do is set up my Google Calendar. And if you have watched like the very early on planning videos, I had shared Michael's hourly planner. So I tried it for 2 months. It's not working out, and from this week I started using my Google Calendar again for all of my scheduling stuff. I want to set up that, and I want to make sure I use that. Just go to what's working for me. The whole paper planning regarding my scheduling is not working out. So I need to set up my Google Calendar for March. And then I also need to create my March budget. So I have these two things when it comes to like planning and organization. And then I also want to do like 2 deep cleaning stuff. One is clean up my phone. I need to just go through all the photos and delete the duplicate ones, transfer what I need to store, and yeah, I just need to do all of that. And then I also want to clean up my apps, so basically a deep clean of my entire phone. And then I want to do a desk cleanup as well. Every now and then I like to clean up my desk just to go through all the drawers and all the shelves that are there, so that I just have things that I'm currently using. There are some things that I might have been using last time when I cleaned. I think I cleaned it in December or something like that. So I just want to like reevaluate stuff and move out things that I'm no longer using. And I'm also thinking of doing a desk tour just to like walk you through what I store and regarding planning supplies, all of my pens, and yeah. So I figured that if I do the cleanup before that, it'll be easier for me to explain it to you guys. And then these 2 are for cleaning, and then I have 2 more tasks just for my mindset. So one is tarot reading for the month, and then at the end of the month I want to do the reflection, the section that's there in this planner. And then towards the end of the month, I would be setting up April. Actually, I'm really liking it, setting up the planner way before the month starts. I started doing it so that you guys get it before the month starts, and you have the video when you are planning your month, and I'm really liking that, so I want to continue doing that. Regarding my priorities, I have 3 priorities this month. First one is obviously my yoga practice, and then next is sleep. I have become way better at it. I'm kind of, most of the days I go to sleep by 12, but if not, it's around 12:30 or something. So it's not too late compared to the time that I was sleeping before. So that's good. And I really want to prioritize that and make it a regular routine. Another thing that I want to prioritize is to set up boundaries. So that means I make time for all the aspects of life. Right now, my schedule is kind of consumed by all of the like work stuff, college stuff, and my business stuff. So it's completely consumed by that. and I do see it overlapping with my health, and I see myself rushing through these things which I really enjoy doing. So I want to set up boundaries, really focus on that, and have a set schedule. I think that's where my Google Calendar is gonna come in handy, because I used to manage my schedule in this and then I started in the paper planner. It's just not working. So let me see how that goes, and I'll update you guys as we move ahead, or next month when we are planning. Okay, so we are done with this section, and then let's mark my habits. So again, with my morning routine and evening routine, I'm kind of simplifying things just because I think it's only for 2 months, March and April. So my college stuff is getting a little bit hectic. I'm approaching towards the end of the semester, so I have 2 more months left, and I want to simplify my morning routine. So first thing that I would want to do is affirmations, and then I want to do my daily stoic reading, and then my yoga practice. So this is going to be my morning routine, and I want to use one of these stickers. I think should I use this one, or I think I'm gonna use this. So just to mark, like divide, because there are 7 lines and I have 6 habits that I want to track. So I thought, why not just divide it? If you track your morning routine and night routine, this is a nice way to divide them. Like you can either draw a line or you can use washi tape to divide it. It's just a tad bit here. Perfect. So we're good with that. So the next couple of things that I want to mark is not exactly my night routine. It's mostly the tasks that I do towards the end of the day. So journaling is something that I do towards noon. So I go for my walks in the evening, and I'm very excited because on 14th the clocks are changing and there will be more light like towards the evening as well. So I need not hurry up when I'm going for my walks. There will be more sunlight and all of that. So that's there. And then at the end of the day, I do my meditation practice. So before I go to sleep, I put on a meditation and a guided meditation, and I go to sleep. So what I'm gonna do now is put this washi tape up at the top here and see where I might want to bring in the other washi. Do I want to cover these headers or put it somewhere in between the box? I think I'm happy the way this turned out. Now with regards to headers, I'm just gonna leave these headers as it is and probably use the washi tape somewhere inside the box. So I want to put one over here as well to cover this up, and I might want to use the gray one just to break the color pattern. So we have that ready as well, and I don't know if I want to cover this up, this header. I don't use this to track my bills. Last month I used this spot to put like the movie names that I watch, and I really like that. So this month as well, so I'm okay with this, and let's put the intentions and agendas for this month. So my intentions and agendas, I have only one thing, and by the way, I got myself the Ink Bucket Undated Planner. In that I'm going to be putting all my business stuff, so that's the reason here you see mostly personal and like not much of social media related. And write 30-day yoga challenge. I think I mentioned in yesterday's video that I will be doing the Yoga with Adrian 30-day challenge, which is called the Home or just Home. And I might want to use this sticker just to bring in more of that yellow onto the side. And I'm gonna write, let me grab my micron pen. So just the thin tip one. I'm gonna write here as home. Cool. And let's add the sticker just to highlight it. And then with new things to try, I don't have anything in particular, but something that I wanted to mark is I have started, like I've still not started, but I am planning to start learning about Ayurveda, like the whole lifestyle, not just about food. So, really learning and understanding the scientific side of it and looking at how I can implement it in my life. Obviously, it's going to be a longer journey, it will not end in March, but that's something that I want to try this month. So, I want to mark that. And for that, I have this sticker, this like some of the book stickers. This is a freebie that I got, and I thought this would be a nice thing, like I'd rather be reading. And the color as well matches perfectly with all the stickers that I'm using today. Put this sticker on this side and then put this over here. So I'm gonna write as Ayurveda. Really excited to, I've been wanting to learn more about this topic, but I never managed to like make time for it, and this month might be a good time. So we are done with this side of the page. Now let's move on to the other side to fill up all of these boxes. And the stickers that I wanted to use on this side of the page are these ones, these flag stickers. I thought I could bring in some of, it's not exactly the same color, but it does go really well with it. It matches quite a lot. So I thought I would bring it over to this side of the page. I am attracting, so something that I would want to manifest in March. So I'm gonna write about that. And by the way, I do this off camera. So whenever I am doing my previous month's reflection, that is when I fill this part as well. Okay, great. So these two spots, I'm gonna keep it as last time itself, and let me come back to that. Let me just fill off these like movies. I have 3 movies on my list that I want to watch. One is Dia. I've already seen this. I don't think I watched the entire movie though. I'm not sure. I remember watching it like at least the first half or most of the movie, so I want to revisit that. And then there is another movie that's come out like in so many languages. It's come in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi as well, I guess. I'm not sure. And I really want to watch that movie. And that's that. And then another movie that I want to watch is The Dig. By the way, these two are on Amazon Prime and this one is on Netflix. So whenever I watch this, initially I thought I would put a rating, but that's just too much. It'll take the fun out of watching the movie. So what I'm doing is whenever I watch, I come back and I put a tick mark if I would want to recommend that, and I put a cross if it's not a nice movie or I didn't like it. There's no specific reason behind why I do it. I just do it because I have this spot. So that's there. And then here I want to add, this would be for my meditation. So every month I pick something that I want to meditate on. So currently I am meditating on transforming fear, and this month I have still not decided what I want to do. If I decide, like, whenever, I'll make sure that I put it on camera. Probably when I'm doing my weekly planning videos or something, I'll come back and put it over here. So we have this here, and then this would be for my tarot reading, the one that I do for this month, or my birthday tarot reading. So I'm gonna put that there. And here I usually put the card that I got and like a generic message for that card, and I have a separate journal wherein I go in detail and write about it. Awesome. So we have all of our sections here, and then I also wanted to use these star or whatever they're called, these stickers, just to sprinkle it out here and there. I don't know if I want to use it now though. This to do and priority. Oh, I can use these stickers with that. I think these would look really nice. I have a to-do sticker here. Let me just wipe them out first. I might want to use these flags itself because it kind of goes along with it. It matches, and yeah, since I've used it for headers, it's nice that we have 5 flags. And for this section, I'm gonna use to do sticker, and then for this section I'm gonna use don't forget. By the way, this is a weekly kit, it's not a monthly kit. The font is really nice on this. Here you go, guys. This is the monthly overview setup for March. I hope you found this video helpful for your planning, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.